Hi friends, welcome to our magic unicorn world. Let's explore the sparkly sand and find surprises together. Wow, look at these pretty colors. This is a red heart, a yellow star, and a blue circle. Can you say the colors with me? Great job. Now let's count the sparkles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many shiny sparkles. Let's dig deeper. What's hiding here? One fluffy pink pom-pom. Oh, now 2 blue pom-poms. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 magical pom-poms. Yay! Our unicorn friend made a rainbow castle. Can you see the ribbons? Red, orange, yellow, so many colors. What's your favorite color? Thanks for playing. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical adventures. Bye bye, friends.